like you mean it. Do you mean it? Touch me like you need it. Like you need it. Yeah. I see the way you did look me. I should be the one that
I am in love with this look. Blue is my new favorite color. I don't care what anybody gotta say. It's my new favorite color. Hi beautiful people, Crystal here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hey, how you doing? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video, if you can't already tell by the title, it's all about this eyeshadow look right here. Look, just take a moment. Like, this look literally screams summer. Everybody's literally just forgetting the pool. Like, it's no longer swimming. It's your hair that's swimming. It's your body that's swimming. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's that drip, that wet. So I just decided to like just join that wave and get that summer ocean view look on my eyes, you know? So if you're curious on how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free, y'all. This family is full of so much love. So much love that literally it will never run out. So just join that family. If you just join my family to, you know, experience that love and that joy that just makes you want to jump out of bed and just conquer the world. That's what this channel is gonna provide for you. But moving on. Now if you're ready, come on with me and let's get into this video. Okay, as you can see, I have my brows done and I've put some concealer on my eyes as my eyeshadow primer. And now I'm gonna go in with some e.l.f. translucent powder to set my eyes and get ready for this look. So now I'm going to be using a dome brush and dipping into the color Burkina from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm using the color Burkina to as my transition shade. And all these names, if I don't pronounce them right, I apologize in advance. Don't crucify me. Okay, so now I'm going to be picking up the color Fulani, and it's a deeper brown, and it's just going to make that transition color a bit warmer. So now I'm going to be dipping into the color Chai for my outer eye crease area. And for some reason, this color Chai wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be, as you can tell. So I wiped off my excess, because that was a lot. And I looked in my BH Cosmetic palette, and I dipped into the black shade to just make the blue a lot darker and more sultry. Alright, technique. And then I put Chi on top so that it looks more of a dark blue rather than a black. And in the middle of my lid, I go in with Delilah. And y'all, the color is so stunning. Like, I just love this color. And the pigment is to die for. Okay, I'm going back with chai just to blend the two colors together. And in my inner eye, I'm gonna go with a flat brush, and I'm going into the color Zola. And this color was also very pretty and very shimmery. And I'm going on my outer crease with the color Ada and Fulani just to soften and the eye and make it less harsh. This is Fallout madness. Alright, I'm taking a more precise flat brush and going back with Zola to basically perfect the inner eye and make it more precise. Because you guys will soon find out that your girl is a perfectionist. Going in with Delilah again just to bring the color back out and blending the edges again, making sure everything is not harsh and accurately blended. And now I'm taking some concealer and just cleaning up the eyeshadow on the outer corner, and the concealer was like an eraser. It was like a magic marker, just cleaning up and sharpening and defining my edges. And so now I'm going to take a flat brush and go on the outer waterline and put the chi on the outer corner. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Zola. I'm basically creating that gradient effect on my lower tear duct. So in the middle, I'm doing Delilah. Or I'm putting on Delilah. And in my inner tear duct, I'm going in with the stunning color Giza to make the look pop. And I'm also taking that color on my brow bone as well. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. Eyeliner and making a thin and a small wing. I'm not a personal fan, because I have hooded eyes, of like really thick liner, because I just feel like it takes up my whole entire eye. So that's why my eyeliner is so thin. And now I don't know who asked me to put on these butterflies on my eyes, but I look like somebody did not born me well. No. So those lashes were definitely canceled, and I put on some lashes that would not overpower the look and actually make me look like a human being and not a masquerade or a clown. Like, please, I could never. Those were way too much, but these are cute. So sit back, sip your tea, and let's finish the look.
Say it like you mean it. Do you mean it?
video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it. Like I said, I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. The best way to know when I post a video is to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. You know what I'm saying? That'd be the worst thing ever, to miss a video. So don't be afraid and just hit that notification bell and get notified on when I drop videos. And with that said, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you guys.